guys. Today we're going to talk about indefinite pronouns. If you look on the page, an indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to a particular person, place, or thing. Some of those pronouns could be like everybody or everyone, no one. So do you see, we really don't know who it's talking about. Let's look at a sentence. Does anyone know the story of Midas? Anyone is the indefinite pronoun, but we really don't know who it's talking about because it says anyone. Now let's take a look at some indefinite pronouns. We've got some singulars, and then we have some plurals. Another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, something. Then the plurals, both, few, many, others, several. Now the indefinite pronouns all, any, most, none, and some, those can be either singular or plural. It depends on the phrase that follows them. When an indefinite pronoun is used as the subject of a sentence, the verb must agree with it in number, such as everyone discusses the plot. That's singular. Both talk about King Midas. That one is plural. All of mythology is about beliefs and ideas. Now let's go back up here. It says if the pronouns all, any, most, none, and some can either be singular or plural, it depends on the phrase that follows. So let's go back down. We have all. Now the phrase is of mythology. That is singular. So therefore we need a singular verb. Then we have all of the myths are about beliefs and ideas. Again, all can be singular or plural, so we have to look at the phrase that follows it. Of the myths. Myths is plural, so therefore we need the plural verb are. Possessive pronouns often have indefinite pronouns as their antecedents. In such cases, the pronouns must agree in number. Note that all the first example, the intervening prepositional phrase, does not affect the agreement. Each of the characters has his or her motive. Several have conflict with their rivals. Okay, guys, that's the lesson. So when you're working through the exercises, please refer back to your notes that we just went over and refer back to this lesson. And just let me know if you have any questions and we can work through those. Have a good day.